You are lucky you are not in jail because your brother is the president. The things that you are doing, genocide, playing with people's taxes, every single year, between 400 and 500 money, 400 billion shilling that you access through an illegal outfit.
Let him answer.
And now you are telling the public that the PS in the presidency is working out a framework. Then why are you operating when there is no framework?
Okay. General Saleh.
The first accusation was that we are an illegal outfit. Is not true. Let him check with the presidency, with the Attorney General, and the Prime Minister's office. I believe we are a legal entity carrying out an operation that is mandated by the presidency, so the illegality does not arise. Number two, the resources. We don't control any resources. Our operation is eyes on, hands off. And he knows that is in Parliament. All the money that we are talking about is handled by the agencies that were like NADS, UCD, all the agencies handle all the funds. We are given just a facilitation for ration, fuel, and night allowances when we are out. So I don't know where he gets this impression that we are handling billions of money. He knows who handles the money.
Who does?
Ssemuju, he is a parliamentarian. He knows who handles the money. He knows that NADS handles the money. We handle mobilization and logistics, the one of delivering. Even the delivering is carried out by private contractors for us to ensure that it has arrived. That's all.
Okay, let me put him back for the next question.
Yeah.
No, these are not questions. What I am stating are facts. You see, genocide, you may sound wise, but let me tell you, NADS is just being used as a cover. We know you are the one running that. NADS is just providing you cover. That's why.
You cover for what?
For him to access the money. Let me tell you, not one, not two parliamentary reports, including those authored by NRM MPs. Everybody is complaining. You are the only one satisfied with what you are doing.
No. Just you check the reality. Reality is there. You call ED NADS, you call ED UCDA, all those agencies. They are going to come for the first time. Capital Radio has helped me, and I'm going to expose you for what you are, a big liar. God had told me not to quarrel there, but now you have provoked me. Now, how can you say that there is no extension services when the recruitment, which was started by us actually, we are the ones who propagated for the single spine? Because by the time we came in, extension was in, the whole extension service was in private sector hands. We urged it for to be reconstituted, and the whole directorate was re-established. And I believe at the staffing levels, they are at about 76%. Facilitated with their own vehicles and their own motorcycles. And they work directly under district production department. So where is OWC stealing billions from?
Okay. Honorable Ssemuju.
Yes. General Saleh, you can call me a liar. I am telling you, the only reason you are not in jail is because your brother is the president.
Honorable Ssemuju, let's substantiate. Which parliamentary report are you referring to?
I have said many. Committee on Agriculture. There was even a specific one done by the Budget Committee. We have done one under Kosase, even under Abdul Katon. Everybody questioning, first of all, how did that illegal outfit come into being? But because it is Saleh, it is there. Even people fear to tell him. He is the only one who is satisfied with what he's doing. You are not audited. Even the money you access, we give you allowances as who recruited you, under which procedure. Military people to be the one running agriculture, yet agriculture is crying. So therefore, for me, and I'm speaking from a point of knowledge, I can hear General Saleh, he thinks that he speaks to everybody who is ignorant. This operation wealth creation was illegal.
Just 1 second. Let's
was illegally created. You see, no, you need to listen. You need
to
1
second. You finish
the
with that.
The same way your brother created an illegal outfit in the military called the SFC is the same way your outfit was created. Yes, but because we are powerless, you can continue operating as long as you are in power. The day you lose it, you will account for every single shilling that you have accessed through NADS.
This time, I think you are going to be accountable. Now that Oscar, let me raise another issue.
Yes, you're on microphone.
You know, I have been accused of so many things by Ssemuju. I didn't know that I'm going to find him on the capital gang. For instance, you know that I'm supposed to be the biggest land grabber in Uganda. Allegations brought up by Ssemuju. But do you know the real land grabber of Kampala?
Go on, General.
No, do you want to know? Or?
Yes, please.
But I didn't want to get into the. He knows. Ssemuju knows because he's their partner. So, but let us go back to the subject.
Yes, sir.
Legality does not arise. Once the president directs that the army does something, we organize and we execute. Whether we shall be executed for that, that is another matter. The most important thing is what we have been able to do.
Finally, comment from Ssemuju, Honorable Ssemuju.
I want General Saleh to get off Capital Gang knowing that we see you. This is the only country.
See you for
this
sure.
Is the only country where the heads of Operation Wealth Creation and the other heads are the only wealthy people. That's why you keep referring everybody to Nakaseke, where you have a farm. Why don't you refer them to other areas in Pidgey and elsewhere? And then speaking about UPDF, I have heard here from Opondo. UPDF bought a farm from Chisos and NEC. That farm had more than 800 heads of cattle. Prosperous farm. Because they want to say UPDF is such a productive military. Today it has zero. The neighbor of the Chisos farm, who is Saleh's brother, who had zero cattle, now has 3,000 heads of cattle. So you can imagine, UPDF 800, now zero. Your brother, the neighbor who had zero, now 3,000. So in Uganda, we are such an interesting country. Heads of operations, heads of wealth, they are the only wealthy people. Sorry, we see you.
For me, I have seen you now on Capital Gang. You are. But I don't have to be as cruel as you. But you know who is the land grab of Kampala at least.
So when we get you on gang next time, we shall really get that answer out of you, who is the land grab of Kampala. General Saleh, thank you so much for appearing on the Capital Gang. And yes,